Yes, so in this video, this is our third lessons in the Python series, and then in this video, we are learning how to find the many conditions, many branching using else. So we will demonstrate this power by applying the if else condition into the situations like determining the grades of a program, that grades of a student, which is calculated like if the student scores less than 40 marks, he is failed. If he scores between 40 to 60 marks, the score will be called the pass. And then if he scores 60 to 80, then he say the grade A. And then if it is 80 to 100, we call it O, which stands for extraordinary. So now again write down x equal to input, bracket, single quote, and double quote also fine, single quote, enter the mark, enter the marks. Okay, then typecast it and put it back into this x equals int, then bracket x. Now yes, right, if space x less than 40, if x less than 40 colon enter, right, print in bracket single quote failed. Next, elif, 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 elif means else if, space 40 less than x less than 60 colon print enter, print. The indentation is happening on its own. The compiler is also, means the IDE, this Python interpreter, PyCharm interpreter is also making the indentations, right? Print in bracket single quote pass. Then again enter again, right, elif, so 60 60 elif 60, not bracket, 60 less than x less than 80 colon enter, print in bracket single quote grade A. Then enter elif space 80, 88 zeros, not 80, 80. Yeah, he's my son, he's just 10 years and he's learning Python, so he's just sleepy, I think. 80 less than x less than 100 colon enter, print in bracket single quote grade O. O stands for outstanding, grade O. Then when it is done, then just to check the indentation, you simply provide it is done, right? Print in bracket single quote done, means the code is finished. Now make this one proper at the, yes, yes, now it's proper. Now run the application. Wait, first just remove this. Yes. So the enter the max. Now you run the application. Here it is. Yeah, you can run from here also. Fine, no problem. Enter marks. Suppose enter 65. So the grade A. So this is working. You can rewrite the program and it's working. Now the same case, this is called the if elif condition. Means the conditions, the first condition is x less than 40, second condition is x is more than 40 and less than 60, third condition is x is more than 60 less than 80, and the next condition is x is lying anything between the 80 to 100, and all these grades are calculated. In the next video we will learn about when the things are a little weird and little different, like remove this program, write the next program. So keep the first two lines, because again, yes, remove all these things. Make it fast. Yeah, wrong. So we have entered the marks. You say enter a number. Like instead of this, we write enter a number. Enter the number. Okay, and the program is simple. It's just saying that if the number is more than 15, or you can say if it is a single digit number or double digit number. So write if space x less than 10 colon print, not there, always go to the next line, print in bracket single quote, it's single digit number, it is a single digit number. With this program we are just trying to understand, grasp the concept of if else, right?
Yes.
So number, now enter, now again write else colon print. So in the normal situation, if a person, now normally if he enters a positive integers, anything more than 10 and anything more than 0. So if he enters the number less than 10, then we will print it is a single digit number. Else, like if he enters the negative number, we have to check those restrictions. But right now we are ignoring those situations. Right now it is not a single digit number. This is better. It is not a single digit number. Now when it is done, then enter the print, enter one more print, just to show that it is done, bracket single quote done, and put the proper indentation, drag the whole print to the beginning of the line. Now it's fine, so run it. So this way we, yes, it's doing.
Yes.
Yes. So this is called the if else conditions. Now thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel and keep on learning about the, now the next video we will learn about the loops. Thank you very much.